At this moment, I want you to already think of all the intentions, the goals you want to manifest. Kini-create mo na in your mind pa lang lahat ng gusto mong mangyari. And then, bibigay na namin kung ano yung pwede mong umpisahan. Instead of thinking, ano kayang pwede kong gawin? Ano kayang pwede kong bago yung how, ask yourself, are you in alignment with someone who already has premium clients? Handa na ba ako? Pag dumating yung premium client, am I ready to receive it?
Sabi ko, parang meron pa akong kailangang mahanap. Meron pa akong kailangang matagpuan. Only to find out, ang hinahanap ko pala. Sobrang natutuwa ako kasi nangyari to. Meron akong 2 angels na in-invite. Sabi ko, dadating yung tamang panahon na bibisitahin na tayo ng mga taong pinagkatiwalaan ko talaga, lalo na sa aking personal development. 'Di ba? Alam niyo naman, lagi ko talaga sinishare ko ano yung nagaganap sa akin. And I think ito yung tamang panahon at tamang pagkakataon para ma-meet nyo rin sila.
So, bago ang lahat, I want to know how many of you are excited to be here. Nandito ka sa live ngayon. Type beyond the chat box on the comment if you are ready. Gusto mo matuto. Thank you. And how many of you naman, I want to know, how many of you napilitan lang, hindi talaga ako excited, pero nandito naman ako. Type napilitan lang if that's you, and that's okay kasi nandito ka pa rin. Curious ako, how many of you see yourself na instead of getting closer and closer to your goal, parang napapaisip ka, shucks, lumipas yung unang 9 na buwan, tapos parang malayo pa ako sa goal ko. Or maybe, how many of you bigla kang napacheck, na pa-reality check, gosh, yung sabi kong gusto kong tapos ko na ng kalahati pa lang ng taon, parang ngayon iginagapang ko pa. Or maybe how many of you nasa space ka ni Sheena, then you must be in the wanting to have clients that are quality, clients that are willing to give you yung dream na income mo. Pero in reality at the moment, parang malayo pa. Curious lang. So, okay lang ba? Can I just introduce myself? Okay lang po. Thank you so much. So again, good evening guys. My name is AJ Garcia. And I want to say my old story was, ako yung muntika na. Ako yung talagang ginalingan. Tapos pag malapit na sa goal, ito yung goal. Lagi napapahinto, laging bitin, laging kulang. Ako yung, kumbaga sa classmate mo, sobrang bibo, madaming alam, daming ginagawa. Pero pag bigayan na ng grades, parang kulang. Parang laging bitin. That used to be my story. But I'm so happy that later on in my life, nakilala ko yung isang konsepto. I discovered a concept, a program, a method that allowed me to realize what's stopping me from getting there. Made me realize ano ba yung pumipigil sa akin to finally get the results, the goals that I want. And I'm so happy, can I just share, na simula nung natutunan ko tong method na gusto kong ikwento later on sa inyo, ikukwento namin what it brought to my life are so many wonderful things. From someone na sobrang hirap na magkaroon ng stable income because of clients, now very stable, tuloy-tuloy ang income month by month. In fairness, nagpo-progress pa. And also, from living for the longest time with my parents, nakatira po ako sa mga magulang ko. Now, I'm now able to live on my own here in a beautiful place in Tagaytay. From Manila po ako. Shout out sa mga taga Manila, taga Santa Mesa ako. Finally, I found my way out. And now I'm living in this beautiful place in a condo in Tagaytay. Simply because I learned this method, I was able to not just reclaim my life, I was able to pay off my debts, nakapag-start ulit ng investments, nakakapag-travel na ulit, and here I am in talking in front of you because finally, my gosh, thank you Lord, I already have the results that I can show. Not to brag, but to tell you if there are people like me na ang kwento ng buhay laging kulang, laging bitin, hindi nakakarating sa gustong puntahan, there's a way out. There's a way to move forward. There's a way to change that reality. And I am so excited to share that with you. Kung excited ka na malaman ano yung tinutukoy kong method, ano yung tinutukoy kong concept, type excited on the comment section now. Maraming salamat po. And I wanna call on ang ating isa pang speaker. Walang iba, ating Queen Ina, Freedom as freelancer. solo parent, and a mom of three. Go ahead, Freedom.
Yay! Thank you, AJ. Grabe, overwhelming naman ang love dito sa community ni Ma'am Shishina. Thank you sa magandang introduction. Queen Ina, mag-start tayo doon. Sa team kasi, tawag sa akin Queen Ina because, well, number one, I'm a mother of three, solo parent. And for me, as a mom, ang laking may naka-attach na meaning sa akin yun, which is nurturing and responsibility. Kasi parent, di ba? And then, ang old story ko naman is that ako yung strong, independent woman, ganyan tayo, di ba? Kasi lumaki ako mag-isa, as in, elementary ako, grade 1 pa lang, nagko-commute na ako, papunta sa school. Tapos, ako yung estudyante na kaya kong i-balance yung academics. Pero hindi ako masyadong pala review. Pero siguro dahil high achiever, ganyan ang peg nung estudyante ako. Kasi nga, alam ko lagi strong ako. Ganyan yung personality na bit-bit ko. And then, all throughout, being a single mom, being a single child, an only child, yun yung ang strong nang na-attach sa akin about independence. Thus the name freedom. I think medyo may meaning nga talaga yan. But before, it's freedom without responsibility. I call it that way. Kasi ako yung wala akong specific na goal. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung gusto ko. Hindi ko alam ano bang gusto ko maging career. Basta happy lang ako sa life, ganyan, barkada, dahil nga wala akong kapatid, lahat, parang kinukuha ko outside of the house. So, feeling ko ang pamilya ko nasa labas, wala sa loob. So, yan yung aking, yan yung narrative ko. Yung, di ba lahat tayo, when someone asked us, who are you? Ang unang pumapasok sa isip ko, si Freedom is an only child, lumaki ako mag-isa, so yan yung old story ko about myself. And then eventually, like AJ, I discovered this community that I am now with, and it helped me a lot when it comes to achieving inner peace. Kasi as a mom, I think main ingredient yun sa niluluto kong pagiging parent sa aking 3 daughters. So I have 3 girls. For me, it's more of having that confidence, that inner peace, and that sense of ibang courage, ibang klaseng courage, knowing that you have 3 kids who rely on you, 3 lives who depend on you. So, kung sasabihin ko sa inyo yung backstory, medyo, for me, before, it's heavy hearing it from someone like me, hearing my old story. But I found out that there's really a gift sa ating mga previous experience, or yung past na tinatawag. So, ayun muna, bibitinin ko muna kayo. And medyo yummy na tong start ng discussion natin. I hope you are enjoying. If you are still with us, please type naman sa comment section, present.
Yeah,
The word present. We want you to be present here. We enjoy this space with you.
Grabe naman, intro pa lang yun, guys, di ba? Parang feeling ko, parang heartwarming na agad, parang nadala na ako. Kasi ako, istorya ko naman parang, hindi pa naman ako yung nasa level siguro nila ngayon, pero masasabi ko na I am getting there, I am becoming. Yun, kaya sobrang natutuwa ako na nandito nga to, nangyari to. Kasi, kagaya siguro ng ibang mga ka-home-based kada, siguro isa mismong story ako na lang. Yung tipong nalolost ako. Alam mo, dito na ako Di ba, tagal ko ng freelancer. Tapos, nandun na ako sa stage na kumikita naman ako, marami naman na akong nagiging client. Pero bakit parang may kulang? Diba? Bakit parang meron akong gustong puntahan pero hindi ko alam kung saan. Anong pinto yung papasukan ko? Kasi diba, sabi ng iba, parang merong mga magbubukas sa yung pinto. Ang dami nagbukas sa akin pinto. Ngayon, hindi ko alam saan ako papasok. At kung pumasok ako, hindi ko alam kung anong meron doon. So, yung mga ganun, tapos nalo-lost, na-overwhelmed, na-burnout. So, name it. Kasi kahit mapa-beginner or meron ka ng alam sa pagiging freelancer, parang meron pa ring patterns eh. Meron ka pa ring mararamdaman na ganito eh. Yung overwhelm, siguro iba-ibang level lang. Kaya sabi ko, I think hindi na to kaya ng advice lang and I need someone to really guide me. At hindi lang someone yung nangyari sa akin. Whole community. 'Di ba? So, sobrang natutuwa talaga ako. Kaya ayan, I will pass this to AJ na dahil alam ko meron pa tayong mas matututunan sa kanila.
Thank you so much, Sheena, for allowing us to be here actually. Thank you for inviting us. Alam ko na sobrang love mo in the way that what you're doing now. Tas ngayon ipinapasa mo pa sa community na first time ko dito pero feel ko agad na alagang-alaga sila by Sheena. Feel ko agad na parang ang value na binibigay mo dito 100% binibigay mo sa kanila dito, Sheena, galing sa puso mo. So this is the kind of community na I really wanna be involved with. So, thank you for having us. And gusto ko lang i-shout out, nakikita ko at the moment na nanonood sa atin ang ating Mama Dragon, si Sarah Suyo. Okay, game, sige. And if you do have questions, please drop it. Magtutulungan kami tatlo nila, Freedom and Sheena, na mabasa lahat ng tanong. Alright? But here's the thing. At this moment, I want you to already think of all the intentions, the goals you want to manifest so that hindi ka lang nakikinig dito. Right in your mind already, you are, paano ba? How do I describe it? Kini-create mo na in your mind pa lang lahat ng gusto mong mangyari. So go ahead, describe it, feel it in your mind. Anong itsura, magkano, put numbers to it, and then bibigay na namin kung ano yung pwedeng umpisahan. Here's the thing. The concept that I told you, we call it yung how to reframe, how to change the programming of your mind. There's a name for it. We call it recode, but we're not gonna talk about it. Ang ibibigay namin sa inyo, something smaller, but you can already use. As in, pagkatapos ng live na ito, masasabi mo sa sarili mo, that's helpful. I want that. I'm going to use that. In fact, ngayon pa lang naisip ko na paano ko siya gagamitin. Is that okay? If that's okay, sanay na naman ako sa thumbs up. If that is okay, type yes on the chat box now. Sige, this is what we call a concept that we call be, do, have. Anyone here familiar sa be, do, have? If yes, type familiar on the chat box. The concept of be, do, have is, para mas klaro, I want you to look at have first. Have is the result. Ibig sabihin, have is the very manifestation. Kung ano yung sinabi mong gusto mong goal, that is under the have. Notice, have ay nasa dulo na. Ibig sabihin, it's just the byproduct. It is now the result, the outcome. I want you to do a quick reality check. Right this moment, make a quick scan of your reality in terms of money, in terms of health, in terms of relationship, anything that is special to you. Question. Gusto mo, ito ba yung reality na gusto mo? Ito ba yung reality na gusto mong maging reality mo sa mahabang panahon? Or you're starting to think, nope, I haven't gotten the reality that I want yet. I want a new reality, a new life. If that is true for you, know that you can change it. But here's the thing. Many people are trapped in the idea that in order for me to have, may kailangan akong gawin. That is not completely wrong, but here's the thing. It doesn't start with just the doing. Hindi para, for example, in my picture, in the image here is money. Sino bang ayaw ng pera? Ako self-proclaimed, mukhang pera. Sheena, Freedom, kung katulad ko, kayo ay mukha ring pera, give me an okay sign. Oh, yan. Okay, game. Good. I'm so happy that we're in the same page na gusto natin ng pera. So sa mga nasa live po, if that is also you, type the words mukhang pera. Yan. Okay, good. Now, if you want money, some people are subscribed to the idea that all they need to do is to do more work, create more business, or make money. Hindi naman siya mali. But here's the thing. The reality is it doesn't start with the doing. Everything begins with the identity. Everything begins with the being. Ibig sabihin ng being, ng paniniwala mo, your operating system, how you think, what is your belief system. Again, let's do a quick check. Quick check tayo ng reality mo. Reality check muna tayo. Alright? Whatever you have right now is the result of how you perceive yourself. Anong paniniwala mo tungkol sa sarili mo? Halimbawa, meron kang bahay ngayon Kasi ang paniniwala mo ay deserving ka ng klase ng bahay na meron ka. And because you believe that you deserve this house, the quality of your actions is for you to be able to maintain this house, to achieve this house, and to maintain this house. Balik tayo sa pera. Kung ano ang ini-income mo ngayon, whether you like it or you don't like it, it is the result of how you believe, of your belief systems around money. Kung ang paniniwala mo ay madaling gumawa ng pera, kaya madali pumapasok ang pera sa'yo. Kung ang paniniwala mo, kinalakihan mo, is that it's hard to make money, kailangan ko muna siyang paghirapan, kailangan muna akong sumuot sa mata ng karayom in order to make money, then that's why you have the kind of money that you have right now. You realize nagpo-progress yung pera mo either slowly or quickly. Again, it goes back to your identity, it goes to your belief, it goes back to your subconscious. Inhale and exhale. Good. Now, if ang belief mo is that in order for me to make at least 25,000 pesos a month, kailangan magising ako ng maaga, tutulog ako ng puyat. Kasi pwedeng kinalakihan mo, ang mga matatanda sa buhay mo, ganun ang naging takbo ng buhay nila. Gumising ng maaga, naghanap ng trabaho, uuwi ng gabi. So ganun din yung mangyayari. Good. If this is making sense, type the word letters MS on the comment section if this is making sense. All right. Oh, let's bring it closer to our community. Sheena, question. Ano ang kadalasan na pinapangarap ng mga ng members ng community natin? Can you give me a collective intention? Ano yung parang uniform na gusto ng community natin?
Premium clients. Ayan. Premium income.
Amazing. Anong ibig sabihin anong ibig sabihin ng premium client? I-describe mo naman.
Sige, iba-iba kasi pero mostly ang parang standard ngayon is 6 digit to 7 digit eh. Kapag pera, amount ng pera pinag-usapan. Tapos yung monthly income niya talaga malaki.
Nice. So pag premium client, ibig sabihin samahan na natin bukod sa pera, mabilis kausap,
Yun.
very professional, generous, kind, understanding. Tama?
Yes.
Awesome. Good. Question, kadalasan ba, is it 100%, 90% ng mga community members natin meron ng premium client? Sa palagay
Ayoko
mo?
maging judgmental pero I think marami ang hindi pa. Pero malaki din naman ang percent na meron pero mas marami yung hindi pa. Based sa community ko sa Home Based Mom Diaries.
Good. Sure. Kasi kung hindi pa, yun ang tututukan natin para makuha na siya. Okay, good. Sige. Inhale and exhale. So guys, tama ba? Sino dito may gusto ng premium client? Pa-type ng salitang premium kung gusto mo magkaroon ng premium client, hindi lang clients. Okay, good. So, clearly what you wanna have is our premium client. So here's the thing, kung wala pa, instead of thinking, ano kayang pwede kong gawin? Bago yung how, ask yourself, are you in alignment with someone who already has premium clients? Ang tanong, titingin ka muna sa sarili mo. Handa na ba ako? Pag dumating yung premium client, am I ready to receive it? When I say, am I ready to receive it, it could mean na kapag kaharap ko na siya, kamusta yung confidence level ko? Gaano ako ka-skilled na? Gaano ako kahanda? Remember that you are a container. You are the container of everything that you are going to receive. Kung ang container mo maliit lamang, kaya siguro hindi pa kasya yung premium client. Right? But as you start to believe that you are actually good enough, and dahil alam mo magaling ka, yung action mo nagbabago din. Instead of not learning, instead of not upskilling, but because you believe, teka, magaling ako . Kung magaling ako, ano bang ginagawa ng isang taong magaling? Nag-aaral pa? Bumubuo ng experience? Taking risks? Pag nagkamali, natututo, bangon agad. Make sense? Nako-connect na ba natin yung being, doing, and having? Ibig sabihin, kapag ang tingin mo sa sarili mo, confident ako, competent ako, nagbabago din yung kalidad ng kilos mo. Yung kilos mo, hindi na pang small player, hindi na pang mediocre, hindi na pang mamaya na, ay bukas na lang. It's no longer, hindi ko kaya. Baka para sa kanila. Makes sense? And therefore, when the container is ready and the way you act, the way you move, pang premium na, magmamatch kayo. Remember, kung premium na tao ka, ang makakasalamuha mo, premium din. Inhale and exhale. So kung hindi ka pa premium, hindi mo pa naman, hindi ko sinasabing hindi mo sila makikita. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa kayo magtatagpo. Kung nandito yung client na gusto mo, nandito ka pa lang. So increase your level of being, your belief in you, your identity, those things, and then act accordingly. So I'm gonna take a pause here, and then himayin natin. I wanna hear from you guys. Freedom and Sheena, what are you getting from this? Ano kaya yung own experience niyo tungkol sa kakapag-usap pa lang natin? Go ahead.
Ako kasi, I started mag-home base, mag-work from home as a VA nung pandemic. Good thing na may mga clients talaga. May mga clients. Ang naging challenge ko that time is yung pag-manage ng oras ko as a mom of 3. Tapos yung meron akong guilt as a mom na hindi ko, parang work, kailangan kong gumawa ng pera, ganun pa yung mindset ko before. And na ang nagsasuffer is yung quality time ko with the kids. Ayun. Tapos, may mga ganun. Parang, sana kung may mga premium clients ako na hindi ko na kailangan magdalawa, 3, 4 na clients para lang ma-meet yung bare minimum or at least mag-exceed ng konti yung sweldo. Kasi ako noon parang hindi pwedeng mabawasan yung 4 kasi natatakot ako na hindi magiging stable yung income. Alam mo, kasi I treat it as a business. Business siya 'di ba? So mawalan ka ng client, parang nawalan ng isang business. Ayun. So ano siya? I know being a freelancer, a VA, challenge talaga. Nagkaroon ako ng time na challenge talaga maghanap ng premium client at yung aligned na client. Parang ang mindset ko noon before is too good to be true na kung meron talagang isang client na sobrang mag-a-align sa gusto mong sweldo, sa gusto mong flexible na time, sobrang maintindihin, mga ganon. Yun naman yung experience ko with working from home. Ikaw, Ma'am Shi.
Ako ang experience ko kasi sabi ko 15 years na akong freelancer. So, nung nagsisimula kasi talaga ako, kumbaga sa sinabi ni AJ, yung container ko, maliit pa lang. So, sabi ko, gusto ko mag-online job. So, niready ko yung sarili ko na mag-online job. So, nagdagdag ako, nag-aral ako, nag-research ako ng mga pwede kong matutunan. Kasi dati, limited resources, diba? So, ano yung mga meron ng mga pwede kong mapag-aralan? And then, ayun na, natutunan ko maging VA. So, nag-expand ng konti na yung aking container. And then, nung naging VA ako, 7 years ako naging VA, nag-start yung sabi ko, I want more. I want something more. Pero hindi yung para magdagdag ng skill, kundi nag-niche down naman ako. So, I can accommodate premium clients na using my skill marketing automation. So, yun, lumalaki na. Kaya nakakapag-welcome na ako ng mga premium, di ba? And then, sabi ko, parang, what's next? Di ba? Tapos, ayun na. So, parang, nung inalam ko na yung, ano na ba ako? 'Di ba? Kung pagiging MA ako, marketing automation specialist, what's next for me? What's waiting for me pa? Kaya hanggang nung nagkakaroon ako ng curiosity, sabi ko meron pa akong ma-achieve. And doon ko naman nalaman yung pag-share naman sa YouTube. So yun, kumbaga hindi siya yung parang nag-add lang ako ng skill. Kumbaga may purpose pa. Meron pa palang kapupuntahan yung ginagawa ko. Kaya nung nag-expand na yung container, then I started welcoming hindi lang yung premium clients, kundi yung mga ka-home base kada. So ngayon, kaya sabi ko, eto, nag-expand ako kasi merong purpose. And this time, hindi lang to para magkaroon ako ng mga foreign clients, kundi para sila naman maihatid ko rin sana dun sa pwede pa nila kapuntahan. So yung ganun ko naman siya nakikita as expansion ng pagkakaroon ng mga premium friends and clients. Ayun, yun naman ang aking simpleng kwento.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mommy Freedom, Mommy Sheena. Because of your shares, meron akong gustong idagdag. Okay lang? Sige. But before that, I want to check in with our audience sa ating 34 viewers na nanonood ngayon. Are you guys learning? Kung kakapasok mo pa lang, it's okay. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Marami ka pang matututunan. Pero para sa mga kanina pa nandito, baka meron kang tanong. Are there questions that you wanna ask? Sasagutin natin yan. So, babantayan natin kung mayroong tanong. Alright. So, here's the thing. In speaking of the containers, sabi ko, kailangan ko ng hindi lang slides, kailangan ko ng visuals. O diba? Ganap talaga ako ng paring pakita. Kung ngayon nakikita mo na nandito ka pa lang, imagine, this is how prepared you are. This is how ready you are to receive. Anything that is bigger than this, matatapon lang. Or anything that is bigger than this, you would say no. Kasi alam mong mababasag, hindi ka kasya. Kakabugin dibdib mo, magkakasakit ka, kasi ang laki ng opportunity, nakakatakot. Right? But that's okay. We are not judging anyone. You don't judge yourself. You just recognize that at the moment, this is where I am. But my intention is to grow because I am becoming ready and ready and readier. Right? Until you see yourself already here. Kasi hindi pa naman tapos ang, kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo, you still have 3 months. O kung matapos man ng 2024, you still have time. But the important thing is you start now until you get here. Di ba ang laki? Remember that the universe hates space, empty spaces. Anything that is empty, that is a vacuum, pupunuan, pupunuan, pupunuan. So check your container if you are ready. Okay, going back to this, I want to show that the one pager again. By the way, kung na-appreciate nyo to, pa-type naman, pasabi naman kung na-appreciate nyo kasi niready ko talaga para sa inyo to, di ba? Yan, okay, good. Sige, notice guys, look, this is your being, right? The being is the mind. This is a mind game. As long as you can create or imagine the life that you want, the being that you want, the doing that you want, you're already winning it. It all starts with the mind. Now, it doesn't stop with the mind. You have to bring it towards your entire body, kaya merong action. Nag-uumpisa lahat sa isip, then dadalahin sa katawan. Literal na may si ate girl, nagsusulat siya. Then may lalaki, nagtatype. Tingnan mo ikaw dito, kumikilos ka, nakikinig ka dito, natututo ka. This is your doing. Because your identity is you're a learner, you are curious, you are ready for bigger things. Your quality, your level of actions, iba din. Right? And therefore, when you are aligned in your being and your doing, hindi mo napipilitin. Mangyayari na lang. The natural result is your manifestation. Nothing to force. It's just really the formula. That's how it goes. Just like, abuti na lang, halaman din ako dito. Shout out kasi kaka-birthday ko lang may nagregalo ng halaman sa akin. Imagine that this is the having, kita ba? Kaya ako may halaman kasi may tinanim. That is the being. So nagtanim ng belief, there's a seed, and therefore it's gonna grow. The growth of the plant is just the effect because there's a cause. So you have to cause your being or you change the way you look at yourself, then naturally, magkakaroon ka ng dahon. O kung puno to, meron tong bunga. Is this making sense? If this is making sense, type the word result on the chat box now. And I want you to, sige, stop ko muna to. I want you to look at me for a second. Mag-hand gesture tayo. So that you can remind yourself how this works. All right? The be, do, have. This is you, the being. This is the having. This is what you want to get. All right? And then this is the action. So kailangan, kung ito yung gusto mo, nasa taas siya, iaangat mo rin yung sarili mo. Otherwise, kahit mag-action ka, hindi sila nag-a-align. Kahit mag-action ka, hindi sila nagtutugma. Make sense? So are you saying, AJ, that bago yung action, kailangan inaayos ko muna yung pananaw ko sa sarili ko? Yep. Because kahit anong kilos mo, pero yung kilos mo naman ay hindi papunta doon sa gusto mong puntahan, ang pakiramdam mo lang kumikilos ka, but not in the right direction. Let that sink. Ulit. This is you. This is your being. This is your having. Kailangan mo na siya mag-align. Kung mataas to, tataas mo yung sarili mo. So that when you start taking action, nakita mo, nagtugma. magkadikit na sila. And how do I know that this is possible? How do I know that this is real? Because 5 years ago, yung buhay na meron ka ngayon, pinapangarap mo lang naman to. But because inangat mo rin yung paniniwala mo sa sarili mo, you took the risk and take action, nakarating ka dito. So it's just another cycle of be to have for you. Ano yung mga bagay na doing your freelancing na dating pinapangarap mo pa lang, tapos ngayon napaisip ko, wow, o nga no, naniwala pala ako sa sarili ko, binago ko yung belief system ko, binago ko yung paniniwala ko, now I have this. Anong kwento niyang ganun? I'm pretty sure they also wanna hear, ma-inspire sa inyo.
Ang dami, ang dami. Wait lang, isa-isa. O sige, pipila ko muna. Okay, so ito na lang, ganito ko na lang siya gagawin. Before, ang thinking ko is, kailangan ko ng maraming clients to hit my yung desired goal ko, desired income ko. Dumating ako sa point na 2 clients, premium, I was able to hit my desired income. And syempre nile-level up ko pa rin. May mas gusto pa rin akong level ng income. But ang pinaka trophy for me as a freelancer is that I am in a community where I can truly express myself as a person, as a mom, as a friend, as a human being, na dati kasi yung parang VA lang ako. Ganun yung story ko in my head. Ngayon, I am doing something impactful for the lives of people. And ang sarap mag-pay forward. Kasi nangyari na sa akin parang maraming tumulong sa akin at some point in my life. Yung pa yung nakakatawa. Kasi, di ba strong, independent woman nga ang peg ko. So, hirap ako mag-receive. Kaya ang thinking ko noon is, kailangan i-prove ko yung sarili ko sa mga clients para makita nila yung worth ko. Na, katulad nung sinabi ni AJ, yung be do have, ang ginawa ko naman noon is, in-upskill ko yung sarili ko, tulad nung ginawa mo, Ma'am Shi. And maraming inner work, maraming personal development akong inaral, self-study, although bitin pa rin kasi sarili ko, parang walang nag-guide sa akin Pero yun nga, parang kumbaga, dumating ako dun sa point na, kailangan ko rin palang mag-receive, matutong humingi ng tulong. Sa atin kasi in our culture, this is generally speaking and facts na nagkaroon tayo ng culture na huwag kang hihingi ng tulong. Pag humingi ka ng tulong, mahina ka. 'Di ba? Mga ganon. So, having that belief na natatak sa akin for a long time, ganon, kailangan strong ako. Ganyan. 'Di ba? Nakakahiyang humingi ng tulong. Pero the moment na in-embrace ko, in-embody ko yung thought na I can receive. I deserve more. I deserve, 'di ba? I don't know what's anong belief niya when it comes to your spirituality, but I grew up being a Catholic, so I believe that there's God who created me in His image, and I deserve a lot of things. Nung nabuksan na ako sa ganon, yun na. May premium clients, I'm happy working from home, nakikita ko, nasusubaybayan ko yung lumaki yung mga anak ko. Yun, winner na ako doon pa lang. And marami pang iba.
I just want to recognize that. So thank you for mentioning the inner work. Narinig nyo? And maybe you have been hearing this from people na nililook up inyo. Na yung mga taong to, hindi sila humihinto na madiscover pa kung anong galing nila, kung sino yung totoong sila. Question muna, I wanna check. Marami ba kayo natutunan so far sa Be Do Have? If maraming natutunan, pa-type naman salitang marami. Gusto ko munang marinig ang kwento ni Mami Sheena. Gusto ko makuha ano yung naging shift, ano yung naging pagbabago sa kanya. That's why she's enjoying the life that she has now. Go ahead, Sheena.
Sabi ko nga kanina, from being someone na lost, di ba, sa tagal ko naging freelancer, yung being ko, iba na ngayon Nung nandito na ako, as freelancer, kumikita na ng premium, parang may lost pa ako. So sabi ko, I need someone to guide me. Tapos pinadala na ako ni God ng community. So, sabi ko, parang meron pa akong kailangang mahanap. Meron pa akong kailangan matagpuan. And yung kahanap ko, only to find out, ang hinahanap ko pala, sarili ko. So ngayon, yung mga, kung nakikita nila, meron ako mga posts about working out, about yung nagpag-inner work ko, yung pag-attend ko ng 5 a.m., yung paglalagay ko dito ng mga kandila at something. Lahat yon is the doing ng kung saan na ako papunta. Parang simple summary ng ginagawa ko, pero watch out kasi for sure, isa ka na rin. Magiging classmate na rin kita soon. Kasabay na rin kita. Ayan.
Amazing! Grabe naman itong mga kasama ko dito sa room na very inspiring who's been in the industry. Yes, industry. In the practice for a long time now. Ako bago lang sa freelancing and I'm already enjoying it. So here's the thing. Listen, to the 41 viewers, kanina 45 na nasa yung manifest ko. 41 now, to the 41,000 viewers that we have here. Ngayon, the question is, are you enjoying? May natututunan ba? If yes, type yes on the chat box. Good. Good. So ganito, I want you to listen now. Listen to me. So you have two paths that you can take from here. Path letter A. Path letter A is that yung mga natutunan mo, nasulat mo na sa notebook, may idea ka na paano mo siya gagamitin, and pwedeng balik-balikan mo tong replay na to because it's gonna be here for a long time. And then you move on with your life, tinuloy mo yung buhay mo, nagamit mo, and na-realize mo, shucks, ang powerful. May nagbago agad in my results. And then you move on with your life and you continue. But somehow, at some point, may nangyari, tapos yung alam mo, it's no longer working. Something is missing. May tanong ka, pero hindi mo alam yung sagot. And because of that, bigla ka napilay, and you can't help it, pero bumabalik ka dun sa dati. Now, the magic that you used to have biglang nawala. Again, back to zero. Back to the old cycle. Or maybe, what I'm going to show you is path letter B, where you can be with us, holding your hands, and show you each step of the way so that you just don't get that one part of the method and you're gonna get everything. So that pagdating mo sa totoong buhay, you have not just one tool, one weapon that you can use, but an array kasi natuto ka, kasi may nagturo sa'yo, kasi may humawak ng kamay mo. And that is you. If that is you, type the word